Here I am. Woo! In snowy Monday. No, today's Tuesday. Times have gone so fast, y'all. Today's Tuesday, actually. Ooh, guys, look at that. Ooh, snow. Look at my nose, y'all. Ooh. Guys, it's a hassle walking through the snow. Ooh. Yes, you guys, I have my little umbrella, but I wanted to record, you know. Here I am. It's snow. Ooh. Life of Brooklyn, yeah. Ooh. Gotta travel through it, you know. Look at it, look. Look at how beautiful. Oh, how gorgeous. I love it when it snows, y'all. It's just so pretty, you know. Ooh, yes, y'all. Trinity Vince is in the house. Wait, yeah. I'm looking in the wrong camera hole, okay? I think I should be looking this way. Girl. Life of a YouTuber and a content creator. Yes. Bye. Hi guys, so it snowed here in New York, so the snow is on the ground. It's still snowing a little bit, see? It's not as bad as before, so I just came outside. I need my gloves. Okay, just. So yeah, guys. So hi, guys. Yeah, so it snowed a little bit here in New York. See, I'm dressed for the weather. Yes. You can see me, honey. Yes. That's what it is. You have to dress warm in temperatures like this. Thankfully, it's not so bad. You see, it's snowing. Yes, y'all. Come on, let's go. I will show you guys, you know, the little process. Yes, so that's it. I can hold it now. I hold it now. Let's go put it out in the pocket. There we go. Yeah, in times like these, you need your gloves, you need your hat, you need your boots, and it's gonna be water boots at that. After the snow melts, it turns to ice. It turns to when it melts, it turns to water. Yeah. Right now, it's coming down a little bit. It's not as hectic as before, so it's slowing down. The snow is officially slowing down. Yes. So I'm walking, heading to my destination. Yeah, so this is what it look like on the ground. That's called snow. See? You have to walk in it and go on about your day. You understand? This is the life. This is the life here in New York. Whether rain, sunshine, snow, you still have to get up and go. You understand? Look, you have to walk in it same way. They haven't cleared the ground as yet for us to walk, so we have to just walk on it, you know. we have to be very careful because we don't want to fall or anything, you know. The vehicles have to drive very slowly in times like this, you know what I mean? This is the ground. Yeah, so that's the life in Brooklyn, New York. So, vehicles driving carefully, hopefully, you know. But yeah, you have to walk in it, you know. Yep, this is snow. Kids love to play in this and make snowman, but it has to be like a lot of snow to fall for that process to happen, you know. You need a lot of snow to build a snowman. This is a little bit. This is a little bit. See, it's still falling a little bit. Just a little bit. It's not as busy as before. The cars are covered. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I needed a little footage for my YouTube channel, for Facebook. Might post this on TikTok. Yeah, guys. Need content. Yeah. It's Trinity Beans in the house. Oh, look. Somebody's here clearing the snow. Look. This is the process. Yeah. See that? That's the process. To try and get the snow clear so people can walk, you know, carefully. And it's not clear properly, you know. But they probably have to do that step a couple times, I don't know. You see, the roads are already cleared, so the drivers can drive properly, you know. But where we walk in for pedestrians is not as clear. So, you know, little mama have to be careful. Yeah. So this is my journey for the morning. This is early in the morning. Yes. And the snow was falling through the night. Not so heavy, just enough to just, you know, get a little footage. And you see it's starting to fall a little heavier again. Not as before, but you can naturally see the snow. For those who have never seen snow, this is what snow looks like. You know, when it's falling, look at it. How beautiful is it? Yes, yeah. You have to just, you know, get going same way, you guys. Look at this. It's coming down heavier now. Oh, see that? Yeah. I'm just showing you guys a little bit what it's like when it's snowing, you know. When it's snowing, people just have to still go on, like, you know, go on a regular day. Work, school, church. People still go on the regular day, you know. It's snowing. Yes, y'all. So, road conditions. It's a snowy day. Ooh, yeah. It's snowing and your girl is sweating. What's up with that? Am I too warm or what? Dress for the weather, y'all, in Brooklyn. Can you hold that for me? The car, you know. But it's not snowing so heavy now. So. Snow day in Brooklyn, y'all. Snow day in the Brooklyn, New York City. Yes. Just to want you guys to see, you know, how it looks. You know, that's the snow falling. Yes. The snow coming down, and I'm watching it fall. Lots of people around. Baby, please come home. It's just snowing. Oh my goodness. Snow, snow, go away. Onika wants to play. Jimmy Wincy wants to play. Jimmy Wincy wants to play.